I'm gonna go around and take the high.
There's the bridge.
Oh, testing.
So we did it. We finally planned a trip to go moto camping. The plan was to ride from the base of Big Bear and Crestline up to Big Bear and then back down the Johnson Valley on the backside, camp there for the night, and then head home the next day. But that didn't go as planned. But first, let me tell you a story. This once upon a time, a couple years ago, 3 of us decided to load our motorcycles up into Tacoma, drive to Joshua Tree, park in Joshua Tree, ride the motorcycles to the BLM land in Joshua Tree, try and camp for the night. Jacob ended up throwing up, Kelly ended up cooking his wiring harness, had to go get the truck, take his bike out of there, and it was a disaster. But it was awesome. So now, 2 years later, we're going to try it again. So one of the issues on the first trip is we brought way too much stuff, so I sent out a reduced packing list, and Kelly decided to take the minimalist route and bring only the necessities, what he felt was necessary. As normal, before he left, Jacob had to completely fix his bike, so he tried to take it out of storage, fell off the back of his van, and then Kelly ended up pushing his bike home for him, man. This is what happened.
Hey, watch out! Don't eat it!
Stick your finger one more time.
What did I eat? Corn.
I think we're doing good, guys.
Alright, we got our weekend plans out of the way.
Don't eat that.
Alright, let's go weld some stuff.
The new chummer.
Let's do it.
Oh yeah, let's go. It's time.
Oh, man. Well, there's always next trip to be on time. Guess I can start packing now.
Here we are in Baldy Mesa,
Kelly, where are we actually?
Mount High.
Where?
Mount High.
Where?
We're doing this again, huh?
Where are we going?
Silver Fox Lake, going to Anza Borrego.
Perfect.
North side of Anza Borrego.
Perfect.
Basically Arizona and Utah.
Sounds like we'll end up in the right spot.
Have a lunch in Small Bear.
There's no way we make it.
I'm not riding behind you.
Crestline to Johnson Valley. Well, 4 miles is good. First wreck of the day.
Didn't even crash.
Didn't even crash. Carb's leaking already, and we were 4 miles in. And then Kelly, can you use a shorter wrench?
No leverage here.
Did you crash thread that? We're a long way from getting the carb out. Digga, what happened?
Well, come over here. See all those feathers? I didn't hit a bird.
No birds?
That's my sleeping bag.
That's your sleeping bag. This is why you buy. This is why you buy the nice stuff.
This is the bag. It was a nice sleeping bag.
Should we cut it out?
Cut it from the other side. Yeah, I mean we're gonna have to.
Oh no, it's in your brake rotor.
It's in everything.
We're only 15 miles into this.
Move the knife.
One piece at a time. Guess you're gonna be cold tonight. He's got stuff too. He's got a puppy.
I've lost all my stuff. It fell off and exploded.
Did it fall out of the box or from the top of the box?
It was on the top of the box and it fell somewhere and got ripped up and it was wrapped up in the sprocket. So we just cut all this out, and then there's just feathers everywhere from the sleeping bag.
Chad, you look so warm.
But
You look so warm.
you know what? I sweat a lot. I'll be sweating either way, but honestly, it's not too bad.
Ready?
Oh my gosh. This looks hard.
Dude, this gets impossible. Well, at this point we made it to a section of the trail called Dishpan. And what happened here, we spent 2 hours going 2.5 miles and it just destroyed us. Why is everyone looking at me? There we go.
That's really go. Here, we'll give you a boost too.
We're gonna leave the other bikes and ride tandem. Huh?
One bike at a time. We'll come back 2 miles from now. Yep. Get me to the end, boys. Alright. Hit something.
No. Go right here.
Oh. Come on, this is like the worst spot.
Oh shoot! I have no clue how this goes together. It does not make much sense to me. Oh, there we go. This trail is like... Nah.
Dirty freaking dish pans, man. Hard.
That should be good, right? Dishpan dreams? I'm going back to jet skiing. Daddy's coming.
My bike is turning the wrong way now.
We're averaging 1 mile an hour. Chad, take a break, man. Go. More.
What?
So this sucks.
Yeah.
I gotta go help Kelly. I'm coming, Kelly! I feel so bad playing this trail. Don't stop till you hit Big Bear! Finally made it to 3MC! once we got to Big Bear, 3 hours later than we had planned, we got dinner and decided, should we camp or should we just get a hotel in Big Bear? Guess what? We got a hotel.
Papa John's.
I can do pizza delivery.
Bring pizza to the hotel.
Yeah. Nice. What hotel? We're camping.
That was not the same.
Everyone wanted to camp.
Everyone except
Johnny
me.
was like, let's get a hotel.
That's not at all what happens.
He's like, oh, it's cool.
I have to justify this oversized sleeping pad somehow. Well, smells like cigarettes. Wow, that like really smells like cigarettes.
She's a beaut, Clark.
So our new room does not smell like cigarettes.
Probably, yeah. It smells like BO though.
This sounds like a personal problem.
I think it's Kelly.
And I'm sure it's me.
It's your wet socks.
I don't know what to do if I take them off. I get frostbite.
My feet are cold right now. I'm trying to go in the hot tub, but no one of you guys want to go in your underwear.
Yeah, these are not fun. Should I wash them in the toilet?
This is real, real. Ready for the day?
What?
You ready for the day?
I guess. It's cold.
Get some gas and do it.
Yeah, go.
Back on the dirt, and we're gonna try and go home in less than 7 hours again. Way too long. I hit it, Kelly.
Oh, wrong way. Oh my god. There we go! Oh, yeah! You! No, you're good. That was freaking awesome. You got a friend?
So much. That's it, we did it. Kelly, what happened?
I did a backflip 360 down an embankment, and I cracked my coolant system.
How much coolant's left in your reservoir?
I could put my finger in there and it would be dry. So
Oh gosh! That all broke off.
And that's it. We're back. Much easier going back down the mountain. Awesome trip. Didn't go as planned, but that's okay. Gotta say bye to Jacob for a year. He's gonna go live in a van down by the river. We'll miss you, man.
You're so tough.
shut up.
We're gonna miss you next year.
I'm gonna hit you.